you can turn this table into a Kanban board. Now, let's say you have statuses for each candidate and you want to manage what's the status of each candidate. So let's edit the form, and here you can add a drop-down field called status or applicant status. Right? So I want to manage the status of the applicants. And you can assign different statuses, for example, applied or interviewing or assignment submitted, let's say approved and rejected. Right? So I publish the changes. The bad thing here is that this dropdown will be visible on the form, but we don't want the applicant to see it, right? So I will make it admin only. Admin only fields cannot be seen on the form. They're only for the admin, so you as the admin can manage it. So if I answer this form, let's enter information here and go on to the end. So you see the last field we see is describe your skills, and I submit the form. I didn't see anything about the applicant status. And what's more, you can also set a default value for this field. So whenever this form is submitted, by default, the value of this field will be applied. So you have already a status for all of the applicants. So here we see the table of all applicants. And let's give it real name here, and you can set the status. So this one is applied, save it, and you can see actually it wasn't saved. Let's change it. So you see we have interviewing. Let's say this one is assignment submitted. Let's say this one is interviewing. Yeah, so let's have one applied. Yeah, so you see we have different statuses for each of our applicants now. And what's more, you can manage their status. So let's say we have a Kanban board here. You can add a Kanban board here or board and select which form it should be connected to. So here I select the apply for our team, and here we see different settings of our Kanban board. You can group it by different fields, different choice fields. I want it to be grouped by the applicant status. So on each column, I see the status of the applicants. The card title on each of the cards we see in the columns, I want to see the name of the person. And we can preview the resume or anything else, any other file upload, and also if anything uploaded. And let's say I want to show the email and the position they're applying for. Let's create the Kanban, and we have it here. So you see we have different columns, and in each column, the cards are categorized based on their status. If I move this one back to applied status, you see if I click edit and get to the status, its status is changed to applied. And you can change it from here or just drag and drop and move it to the next column. And that's it. So this is how easy you can build your Kanban board, manage the status with your team, and see how it works. What's the status of each team member in your organization.